Hello everyone, my name is Luna, and today I'm going to show you how I clean my dressing table. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media so you don't miss new videos and helpful tips. The first thing we're going to do is put everything in its place. Let's start with those white bows. They're so cute, but they're not needed on the table right now. I carefully pick up each bow, enjoying the texture and shape, and then put them in a box. Now, we move on to the makeup brushes. I collect them all in one jar. First, I take the largest one. It's perfect for powder. Then one by one, I add the rest for blush, eyeshadow, and eyeliner. This way, they will always be at hand and won't get lost. Now the next step is jewelry. I have a few rings that need to be removed. I gently go through them, admiring the shine of each one, and carefully stack them in this green box, creating a little order among the jewelry. And finally, it's left to put away the rest of the makeup on the table. I grab my black makeup bag and put everything left in it. Lipsticks, shadows, and glosses. I sort through them first, and then stack them neatly in the cosmetic bag so they don't get damaged. Now that everything is in its place, let's wipe down my table so it sparkles. I take a rag and start wiping the surface of the table in a circular motion. Now my dressing table looks neat and stylish. I feel satisfied with the work done and ready for a new day. Thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow my social media to stay up to date with all the new products. See you soon.